of the Moons is on.
That sounds good.
Ugh.
Stand by for more in action.
This is my lucky day.
All right, here it comes. The crash of the moon.
All I know is that night and day seem to have no relevance as far as being separate. I've been working for a second and third and adapting quite nicely. It feels kind of cool, I guess. I'm still alive. And I have a life, or I'd like to think so. And the dopeness of dubstep and other fine music on the internet. And some that I make my own. There are dinosaurs on the History Channel. How cool is that? Feathers on dinosaurs?
And so dinosaurs, we now believe that many, if not most
the
of them,
scales
had feathery
evolved
coverings
into
of some kind.
feathers,
We know they had very complex behaviors.
like fern leaves into
The
regular
eggs that we find show
broadleaf
that many dinosaurs made nests
leaves.
on the ground that they protected from predators.
Very
They brought
weird.
food to
Here's the deep thought. Is there anything more dubstep than dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs ruled this planet for 165 million years.
It's a long time.
In comparison, modern Homo sapiens, humans, have only been around for about 200,000 years.
Weak.
So dinosaurs are by far the dominant species in the history of this Earth.
I'd say so.
But in the early 1800s, if you told someone the Earth used to be teeming with some of which weighed over 100 tons, that person would say to you, "You're crazy." And yet, today, dinosaurs are scientific facts. Dinosaurs could very well have been an early experiment by extraterrestrials with life on Earth.
Okay, now you're getting carried away.
The planet has been capable of supporting life for millions, if not billions of years. The accepted belief within the scientific community is that dinosaurs dominated the planet until a catastrophic event wiped them out 65 million years ago.
Aww.
There was a mass extinction that essentially exterminated maybe 50% of what was alive. Among the 50% are the last dinosaurs that lived during the age of the dinosaurs. Things like Triceratops, T-Rex.
We are speculating, and we have seen science trying to come up with
Dinosaur
answers. And so
dubstep.
how the dinosaur disappeared is something which is still an open question to which science has no answer so far.
It is possible that extraterrestrials may have wanted to trade out the dinosaurs for a more intelligent species in their likeness, and Earth was the perfect place to do it. Were the dinosaurs killed off by a cosmic natural event, as mainstream scientists believe? Or might the dinosaurs have been the target of extermination?
Oh, come on.
The answer may be found by
Aliens guiding asteroids?
and other artworks in which dinosaurs and man are shown
That's
to have
kind of
coexisted.
silly.
I'm MMA champ, chocolate out. And I stop it. Just like Joe last break.
Echinoderms well enough to know this is not a typical pattern. It's sort of prophetic that marijuana is legal in California. This is a native species up in Morrow. And all I did is highlight the pattern that was already there. All sand dollars have a 5-star symmetry. You know what I mean? Like 5 petals. A starfish is in the echinoderm family. And they all have that 5-point symmetry. This one is kind of oblong, so that all the
No day, no night, work, sleep, work.
to one side, and that makes
Play,
it like a marijuana pattern of the cannabis
Drive.
leaf.
Work, drive, sleep, work. Make art from time to time, kind of work, kind of play. To recap, sometimes it's best to arrive early for a party. The routine or ritual of my family trying to get me to apologize for things is an aggravated, repetitious insult at it's kind of scary, but it can feed your hive for what it is.
otters want a abalone shell? Just kidding.
21st century thoughts.
That was, did you know that was outlawed here? Abalone fishing?
Today, fiberglass insulation comes in many
Because of
different
the otters.
forms.
Oh, that's such a small dog. He was hiding behind those women's
Shape and
shoes.
thickness in order to fit in the standard frame.
Yeah, see, that was my answer. My answer was correct. How do you tell the mama otter? She's got the baby floating on her belly. Easy enough. They are too cool. They're so cute they don't even look real. Have you ever heard of a program called Swimming with the Otters?
Go back
Look at that little baby
about the face.
on her belly. It's so nuts. She's like petting it with her teeth.
Behind the
Insulation.
She's like, you might be developing a bad case of the barnacles, huh?
The odd device that
adhesive used with insulation will quickly solidify and dry
Or never have wanted an otter pelt more.
the wall. The material. This fill is blown using a special machine. But is it possible that some species of dinosaur actually survived this cataclysmic event? And not only survived, but thrived for several thousand or even millions of years. Perhaps clues can be recovered near a crater where scientists believe the giant asteroid struck the Earth, right in the heart of what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. Today, less than 90 miles from the epicenter of the asteroid impact, lies one of the largest and best preserved cities of the ancient Maya, Chichen Itza.
You have to wonder if it's not some strange coincidence that the same spot, the Yucatan, which experienced this devastating asteroid strike which caused extinction of the dinosaurs, is also the main habitation area of the ancient Maya.
Chichen Itza is said to have been the place where the Mayans made contact with the gods. And I find it an extraordinary coincidence of all the potential places around the Gulf of Mexico which they could have chosen. They took a place where literally something fell from the sky 65 million years ago. And the Mayans believe that this contact with the gods, this contact with the sky, happened there up until the most recent of times. And so what we have here is either a coincidence or something else going on. And really this something else is only something which hardly anybody has touched upon. But I think it is something which really needs to be explored in far more detail.
In the Mayan area and other areas of Mexico, there are curious depictions of dinosaurs. There's
Maybe they found
pterosaurs.
bones.
There's a famous dinosaur that appears on one of the paintings at Bonampak.
Maybe the aliens
So you have to
had
wonder
TVs.
just how the Mayans knew about dinosaurs. Supposedly dinosaurs have been extinct for millions of years.
But if, as mainstream scientists believe, the dinosaurs had been extinct for millions of years before the evolution of mankind on this planet, then what would explain the wealth of Mayan art depicting interactions between humans and what appear to be dinosaurs, found in the very area where they supposedly died off?
Where'd I put my deodorant?
Ancient astronaut theorists believe that additional evidence can be found in northern Cambodia at one of the largest temple complexes in the world, Angkor Wat. Here, among the intricate stone carvings that adorn the walls of the sacred site, researchers have been fascinated by numerous images of animals that supposedly roamed the region where the temple was built. But one, depicting what appears to be a dinosaur, has archaeologists and scholars scratching their heads.
It's a stegosaurus.
There's a temple called Ta Prohm, and it has a series of medallions that are carved into its surface. And one medallion in particular has attracted attention because it looks like a stegosaurus.
Hey,
and so some have cited this as an example of a dinosaur that lived into historical times.
I still know that crap.
The stegosaurus not as a skeleton, but it's a stegosaurus with its skin and muscles as if somebody saw it while it was alive. So how is it possible that the artist was able to carve something like this? Did they receive the knowledge of something like this?
There is no doubt that ancient civilizations must have encountered dinosaur remains, and many of them lived in areas where dinosaurs are very abundant, and I'm sure they found them here and there. And I think that the fact that they have incorporated what appears to be dinosaurs in their artistic depictions, it speaks of an attempt to interpret them. How exactly they interpret them, I don't believe is clear. Even 200 years ago, we had a hard time figuring out how the bones of dinosaurs fit together.
What could explain the ancient builders of Angkor Wat having such a sophisticated knowledge of dinosaur anatomy? Could it be, as many ancient astronaut theorists believe, that their knowledge came firsthand as the result of actual interaction? The Sodilo Hills, northern Botswana, Africa. Here, in 2001, archaeologists discover what many believe to be the world's oldest known religious artifact.
I used to like the way that you say.
A 20-foot-long serpentine rock carving made over 70,000 years ago by the ancient San people.
Trying so hard to be responsible at all. Like
Serpent worship is one of the oldest known forms of religious worship, and it's absolutely everywhere that you look.
The water under the bridge.
But might the enormous scale of the serpent's head, measuring 6.5 feet tall, suggest
water
that the
from under
carving
the bridge
represented
to the
not a
ocean.
python, but a dinosaur?
There's a lot of ancient artwork that clearly shows a actual reptilian species being worshipped by humans. Some sort of reptilian presence that was here on the earth in the ancient past.
The question is it possible that our ancestors saw something that they tried to imitate, and the answer is a resounding yes?
Whenever it comes to evidence of the possibility that dinosaurs and mankind existed, each time science has tried to explain it away. But we know that the archaeological evidence really suggests that it is not that straightforward. It is definitely possible that our earliest ancestors met dinosaurs.
Might ancient depictions of dinosaurs really be proof that humans and dinosaurs did, at one time, coexist? According to mainstream scientists, the notion is not only incredible, but downright impossible. Unless, of course, they are confronted with evidence in the form of a fossilized footprint of a dinosaur, side by side with that of a human being.
Get out of here!
It's the largest cash crop in America, producing $36 billion annually. Over the last 20 years, its yields have expanded in the U.S. by over 1,000%. How much bigger will it get?
I don't know. Oh, marijuana.
Marijuana, A Chronic History. Thursday at 8.
Chronic
on
history.
H2.
Oh, that's good.
See the couple channel when I'm on
testing comes.
What?
Hi, Helen. You've done it again.
Huh? What? Huh?
That's super small, but still lands big friggin'. Blowing agent. Blowing agent is a liquid that has a low boiling point. When it's spray applied, it converts from a liquid to a gas, forming the bubble. These four ingredients are mixed together into one liquid, but they're only part of the recipe for making foam. The other part is a substance called isocyanate.
Thinking, not
A highly
believing.
reactive molecule.
Rooted in what's been tested, not what hasn't been
It's
seen.
separated from the other ingredients until the spraying begins. They're dispensed separately all the way through the hoses to the gun. When the applicator pulls the gun, the materials are mixed together, the reaction occurs.
Instant
It's
insulation.
substrate in a liquid form, but the reaction drives the expansion very, very quickly. Within seconds, you've got
Expanding
solid
foam insulation.
Isoname is a foam insulation that's used to create an envelope of protection around a building.
That's
We
so
come
true.
into a house, we will seal around the doors and the windows, we'll plastic everything off, and then we'll spray the entire house. We'll spray the walls.
You see, guys, when a spaceship loads a space station very, very
Hey, looks like a beautiful day to drive to work. Not necessarily a beautiful day to work, depending on your work conditions, but nonetheless a beautiful day for a calm, cool, and collected drive to work. Slightly overcast.
Yeah, I think it's going to be
never make the same thing as I assure you.
Welcome to today's tutorial on VIP production. Typically, an intro section that sounds exactly the same as the original track is selected. Perhaps even edited to sound a little different. Try messing around with a couple different synth sounds. Of course, it is absolutely
concluded that at least some definitely survived for at least several more million years.
That's pretty impressive.
The most widely used scientific method to determine the age of fossils is by a process known as carbon dating. A technique that measures the rate of decay and radioactivity in an organic object.
Carbon-14 is not a stable isotope, so it decays over time, whereas the 12, carbon-12, is not. By measuring the two against each other, we're able to get very general age. In order to do carbon dating, you need organic material, you need wood or bone, something that lives. A piece of stone can't be carbon dated, and often archaeologists are reduced to finding something under that piece of stone, which is organic, and dating that, and then making the assumption, not necessarily correct, that the carving of the stone dates to the period of the thing under it.
Can you tell me what program I should
For
use?
objects that are millions of years old, there is no scientific method that will allow us to date the object or bone itself.
Whoa.
To date the dinosaur bone according to the age of the deposit in which it is found. There are methods that will allow us to date these deposits.
Carbon dating results don't get published in peer-reviewed journals. We have so many things happening in the world of science, whereby it is clear that scientists are playing a game. And so, this notion that somehow dinosaurs completely disappeared 65 million years ago is now something which science as such is really beginning to push holes in as well.
But if the fossil evidence of dinosaurs cannot be reliably dated, might some bones actually be from the
I wonder what today has in store. I didn't sleep enough to snore, but I did get some sleep. I didn't work a whole lot yesterday, so I think I'll be alright.
unearthed a collection of carved andesite stones. Many depicted what appear to be human encounters with dinosaurs. And since then, approximately 50,000 of these mysterious stones have been found across the region.
I have photographed some hundreds of it in a collection in the city of Ica. And there was an old Professor Dr. Cabrera. The Indians brought him stones from all over the country of Peru. And on these stones you see fantastic engravings.
Peruvian physician Javier Cabrera began researching what had become known as the Ica stones in 1966. Ranging in size from small pebbles to large boulders, Dr. Cabrera's museum preserves over 20,000 of the strange rock carvings.
All dinosaurs died about 60 millions of years ago. So normally, no human being should ever have seen a dinosaur. But there are wonderful pictures, engravings, stone, where you see humans and dinosaurs together. Sometimes the humans are even riding on the back of the dinosaurs.
What we have here is an Inca burial stone, which is very unique. And what it depicts is that man and dinosaurs live contemporaneously. We see the various
Between the day and night. Chew gum. Huh. Drop, 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 drop.
Most of dinosaurs have proven to be too big, too territorial.
Whoa!
For one third mine are of a larger class, not by humans, but by otherworldly beings, as many ancient astronaut theorists.
Well, that is so trippy.
And they believe further evidence can be found in the study of Earth-threatening asteroids.
Whoa! Okay. Ha, 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 ha.